Hi all, this is Surya, working in Dr.SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Department of Computer Science, Full Stack Web Development, and today we are going to see about operating system, paging and segmentation. Semaphores. Paging is a memory management techniques in operating system that enables process to access more memory than is physically available. The system improves performance and resource utilization and reduces the risk of the page faults. This method is known as swapping in Unix-like system. Physical memory is divided into fixed size block called frames. Logical memory is divided into blocks of same size called pages. A frame has the same size of a page. Physical memory is a place where a logical page can be physically placed memory management technique and permits the physical address and to be non-contiguous. Every address is generated by the CPU and divided into two parts, page number and page offset. The page number is used as an index into a page table. The page size is defined by the hardware and the size of the page is typically a power of 2, varying between 512 bytes and 16 MB per page. Reason: if the size of logical address is 2M and the page size is 2N, the higher order is M bar N bits of logical address. Designate the page number paging hardware. Paging hardware. Here paging hardware is simple method to implement the page table as set of register, and however the internal fragmentation is also moving with the paging scheme, and the size of the register is limited and the size of the table is usually large, therefore it is maintained in the main memory. What is MMU and TLB? The TLB is nothing but a buffer that is associated with the memory, that is translation look aside buffer, and OS already full, that is OS is selected one place to another place replacement, and write down meaning cannot be removed, and no internal fragmentation. Simple memory management algorithm. Swapping disadvantage: internal fragmentation, page table and multi-level paging leads to a memory reference overhead. There is another way in the addressable memory can be subdivided, known as segmentation. An important part of memory management is become unavoidable with the paging separation user view and memory actually physical memory. Here the mapped with the physical memory that is different between the logical and physical memory. No, rather they would see is a collection of segment. Logical address page segment, number of offside, the mapping of the logical address physical address done with the help of segment table. Segment limit, segment base, other bit A and determined with this already main memory P. Another bit is needed to determine the segment has been modified and loaded in a main memory M. The length of the segment table starting and correspondent to the segment in the main memory. Segments, that is dynamic memory allocation, requires external fragmentation. The size of the segment table is determined with the number of segment table located in the main memory, and with STBR, that is segment table base register, and STLR, that is segment table length register. That is STBR, that is point to current segment table in memory, and STLR indicates number of segments in the memory. Here no internal fragmentation segments table consumes less memory because small segment table memory reference is easy, lends itself to protection, and page do not form one logical unit to not particular access right page. External cost memory management algorithm. Unequal size of a segment is not good easy way to case the swapping. Paging segment. It has often large page table internal fragmentation. Free memory is quickly allocated. Each process is assigned a table, segment table size proportional to the number. Usual small segment table, external fragmentation, lengthy search times. Thank you all.